You can also insert out shapes by using codes inside of diagrams.net. So to do that, if you were to go around onto the Arrange menu, you can go around under Insert, and over here you can see that you can go around and select Shape. Once you select this, you can see that this is what you see, and right now there are two shapes right here that is being inserted. So this is the circle, as you can see right here, so which is denoted by the ellipse right here, and the width is 100 pixel by 100 pixel right here, width is 100 pixel, and the height is 100 pixel, and it is surrounded by a rectangle right here, just like this. If I were to press apply, then this is what you see. You got a rectangle and an ellipse, and you can go around and resize this out right here. What I can also do is I can go around insert and modify out the code that I have right here. If I were to select shape, then instead of the rectangle, let me just go around and press 200 by 200 for the rectangle right here. Press preview so you can see the preview right here. And if I were to press apply, then you can see that this is the circle and there's a rectangle surrounding it right there. You can also go around onto insert and go to shape right here. And once you do that, let me just type in 200 by 300 right here. And let me remove out the rectangle altogether by deleting it right here. Once that is done, I can go around over here onto the ellipse section, and let me just type in rect right here and preview this, and you can see the rectangle preview. So if I were to press apply now, then now you can see that this is what you have right here. This is the selection area while there's this main rectangle outside. Let me just delete this out right here and go around over here onto insert, onto, let's say for example, shape right here. So what I can do is I can go around and select out rectangle over here as well, just like this, and then change it out over here. So you can see that now I got a full rectangle overlapping each other, as you can see right here. So let me just go around and add in a bit of change right here, like 10 pixel of change right here, just like this, and then press preview. You can see the rectangles overlapping. And you can also go around and change out the distance right here. So let me just go around, change out some values for the x and y parameters right here, just like this, preview and apply, and you can see that the shape comes up accordingly right here. And that is how you can go around and insert out shapes through codes as well. And you can go around, make changes to it accordingly, as you can see right here, and then work around with lines just like this as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.